Yes, I have 7 credit cards. And no, I don't have any debt or utang sa 7 bangko na to. Actually, 6 lang because sa Union Bank, I have 2 credit cards. And I will share to you guys how I manage these 7 credit cards. So let's start with the first ever credit card that I got. It's color yellow. This is from Union Bank Gold Visa. This is my first ever credit card, guys. And up until now, kasi first love ko eh. Up until now, as in, gustong gusto ko talaga to. And yung story naman, why I got this, kasi one day, yung mga taga Union Bank, pumunta sila sa office namin, kung saan ako nag-work. And then they're offering credit card. So, sino ba ako para di mag-apply, diba? So, I applied and then I got one. What I love about this credit card, guys, is no annual fee for life. Imagine! No annual fee for life siya. Tapos, another thing, guys, my airport lounges, I think I've used this for like 3 to 4 times already. Sa NAIA, airport lounge. Diba? No annual fee for life, pero may airport lounge access. So that is why, ito talaga yung pinaka-love ko na credit card. Kasi nga, first credit card ever. Going to my second credit card. This is PNB naman, guys. Last year, guys, yung story naman nito, I was inside Cebu International Airport. I was traveling that time. Tapos, yung agent, may dala-dala siyang headphones na color blue. And I so love color blue, guys. So, yun. Gusto ko talaga yung headphones na yun. Pero hindi ko naman siya nagamit, diba? Lurky. So, yun, nag-apply ako, guys. Kasi nga, para makuha ko yung headphones na yun. And funny, guys, after I received this PNB, kasi diba sister company yung PNB tsaka Metro Bank. After a month, pinadalan ako ng Metro Bank. So yun, meron na din akong Metro Bank. Metro Bank, this is Visa pa rin, Visa Platinum. Eto naman, guys, what I love sa Metro Bank, we all know naman, sa mga malls, either BPO or Metro Bank, it's the most common credit card bank na tinatanggap. So, yun yung purpose ng Metro Bank. If I wanna buy like a big thing, medyo pricey siya sa mall, for example. And Metro Bank, usually, nag-offer sila sa mga malls ng zero interest, 12 months to pay, ganun. That's why, ito yung ginagamit ko parate sa mga big purchases na for installment, Metro Bank lang yung tinatanggap. Hindi yung other cards na meron ako dito. So, and my fourth credit card, guys, is etong Union Bank. So, this is my second Union Bank credit card. And this is in partnership with SNR. So, yung story naman nito, guys, bakit ako nagkaroon nito is, I got this last year. Last year, December 2025, guys, me and my sister went to SNR para mag-groceries and all. Tapos, diba, pag pumasok ka ng SNR, you will smell talaga yung aroma ng pizza and magugutom ka. So, that's what happened to me. Gusto kong kumain ng pizza, pero I don't wanna buy. And yung agent, sabi niya, ma'am, if you'll apply for a credit card, we'll give you free pizza. O, diba? So, sino ba naman ako para di mag-apply? Free pizza na yun. So, that's why I got this. And what I love about this, guys, is if parati kang pumupunta and bumibili ng groceries or nagsha-shopping sa SNR, malaki yung points na makukuha mo if you'll use this sa SNR mismo. Okay, so going to my fifth credit card, guys. Ito naman, RCBC naman siya, guys. And this time, JCB siya. It's not Visa, it's not MasterCard, but JCB. And JCB, I think it's not that usual kasi yung worldly accepted is really the Visa or MasterCard. Yung JCB, rare lang siya tinatanggap. Usually, tinatanggap to sa Japan and Korea. Itong JCB na to. So, yun. Yung story naman dito, guys, was I was in SM City, Iloilo. And, meron silang tumbler na color green na Starbucks na binibigay if you will apply for a credit card. Ay, dala-dala ko. I have it with me right now. Like, right now. I'll show it to you. Eto. Diba? Cute, guys. So, because I want to have this, I applied for a credit card. That's why I got this RCBC. And then, guys, after ilang days lang, pinadalahan din ako ng East-West from that same application. This one is MasterCard naman from East-West. Yun. That's why I have East-West. Etong dalawa na to, guys, what I love about these two, because you have the option sa mga app, sa app ng East-West, tsaka sa app ng RCBC, you have the option if you wanna convert your purchases into installment. Diba? Hindi yan available sa other credit cards like Metrobank or sa PNB, sa BPI, no. Hindi yan available. Available lang siya sa East-West, tsaka sa RCBC na bank. That's why I love this also. Kasi there will be times na if you wanna buy something and that store doesn't process installment payment or are not receiving installment payment, so you can still purchase it, tapos ikaw na lang yung mag-manual na mag-installment through the app ng RCBC or East-West. So that's what I love about these two. So, 5th and 6th na yan pala. And my last but not the least, this is just this year lang. This year lang din. No, this month, I got this. BPI. BPI Free Plus naman, guys. This is my second credit card na no annual fee for life. That's why I got this. Actually, yung backstory nito why I got this because someone called me from BPI and offered me this na no annual fee for life. So, sabi ko, okay, I'll get it na lang. Now, let's go naman, guys, sa management system na meron ako. Kasi, guys, having 7 credit cards, super excessive na talaga yun. If you will check what's the advisable na number of credit cards a person should have, sinasabi nila is 2 to 3 lang dapat max. And I have 7, diba? So, I really should manage all of these. Kasi, yun nga, I have 7. I have so much. And I'll be sharing 3 tips sa inyo, guys. Paano ko to minamanage lahat. First and foremost, guys, is I have a tracker. I have a tracker, and on that tracker, I classified what are those credit cards na I need to pay every 15th. Tapos, what are those credit cards na I need to pay every 30th? And that way, I can easily identify na, 15th sweldo, so I have to pay these 4 credit cards. Pagdating naman on the 30th na sweldo, because I'm receiving my salary every twice a month. That's why I need to arrange that way. I would know, pagka 30th naman, I would know and will immediately pay those credit cards na I need to pay on that 30th. Depende din sa inyo, guys, if, let's say, you're just receiving your money every month or once a month, so it's easier for you to manage, no? Kasi every one time mo lang siya babayaran. But guys, you also have to consider the due date ng each credit card. So, there are credit cards kasi na, let's say, yung sweldo mo once a month lang and it is on the 5th of the month. Pero yung due mo is let's say 7th of the month. So, medyo you have to manage your money para pagdating ng sweldo, kahit hindi pa dumarating yung statement mo sa credit card, you have to allot the payment for that na. So, yun yung mga kailangan mong isipin when it comes to due date. But for me, again, I just divide it into 2. Kasi I am receiving my salary every 15th tsaka 30th. So, I just have to classify based on their due dates, ano yung mga due dates nila before 15. So, yun yung babayaran ko on the 15th. Tapos, ano yung mga credit cards naman na may due mga line of 20s. So, yun yung babayaran ko on the 30th. So, that's how I pay my credit cards, guys. Second is, sa mga annual fee na to, nila. Kasi guys, sa mga annual fee, out of these 7 credit cards, guys, na meron ako, only 2 credit cards na walang annual fee for life. Etong 5 credit cards na meron ako, I need to pay for the annual fee. And I have to tell you guys na on these 5 credit cards na I have to pay for the annual fee, wala pa akong ni isang annual fee na nabayaran so far because I always ask to waive for the annual fee. So, nag-email ako sa bank or nagko-call ako sa bank na if pwede, they have to waive the annual fee so that hindi ko na siya babayaran. And so far, guys, yung mga bangko, they'll say yes naman eh. Especially if you will meet their conditions naman. Sometimes kasi may mga conditions yung bank na, let's say, you have to spend at least 15,000 and then by that, i-waive na nila yung yung annual fee. So, wala ka nang babayaran. And yung last tip ko, guys, and this is the most important rule na I follow. For 3 years of having credit cards, guys, I always pay it in full. I've been really consistent in paying in full, and I don't plan to break that consistency, guys. And that is really important. For you to not pay interest sa mga credit card bills mo, you should always pay in full. Every time, every month na you will receive the statement, you always have to pay it in full. That is why, guys, before purchasing and before using your credit card, you have to ask yourself, can I pay for this in full ba? Pag due na? Because if not, then don't buy it. Don't use it. But if you can pay it in full, then definitely maximize your credit card. Kasi if you can pay it in full naman, then, and if you will use your credit card, then you will get rewards, the points. And that's another thing na advantage when it comes to credit card, no? Aside from your financial credit score na tinitignan ng mga bangko, ng mga financial institutions, na good credit standing ka. Aside from that, you're getting rewards from them. And that is why I really love having so many credit cards because I know in myself na I can manage them. And I just wanna end this video, guys, by saying na check yourself first. Can you manage ba of having 1 credit card? Or 2 credit cards? Or more credit cards? Because if you cannot, then just stick with 1 credit card. But if you can naman, then get other credit cards. Kasi, yun nga, iba-iba din naman yung rewards, guys, from all of these credit cards. May travel perks, yung mga lounges, yung mga discounts sa mga hotels, ano pa ba, yung mga points na you can convert into money. So, yun. Ikaw ba? How do you manage your credit cards? Do let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!